Welcome to the channel. I'm glad that you could make it. Welcome. Enjoy. So it's another beautiful, rainy, overcast day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. So we're back on this. I know we shouldn't be working on this. We should be out riding snow machines or snowmobiles, whatever you want to call them. But somebody forgot to pay their carbon tax and we got no snow. So I guess we're working on this instead. Here's my plans today. I fixed the clamp here, and you can see I kind of flattened it out, and yeah, so that worked fine. And then I actually notched a little notch here because it was getting too close for comfort. But the biggest annoyance I have is the exhaust. So you can see in it, it is missing. I mean, it's gone, and you know that's never good to be blowing on your leg, and it's all around annoying. So I think what we need to do is take the seat off, and missing that bolt there. These bolts are already undone. So yeah, it looks like all we have to do is take off a handful of bolts. Let's get the fenders yeeted, and then see if we can't pull that exhaust off and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Oh yeah, and by the way, that carbon tax thing, that was a joke. Take it easy. Yeah. All right, seats off, and then I undid all the bolts to both fenders. I know I only need to take off one to get to the exhaust, but well, I want to see what's going on underneath here because they've never been off. And also that back bar. Let me show you this. So you can probably see, yeah, this side is tweaked way up. So it was sitting hinky, and then it didn't have that bolt. Let's see right there. It wasn't in there, so I don't know. When they flipped it, whatever they did, they beat it good. Okay, they beat on this thing good. So whatever they did to it, the bolt wasn't there. It tweaked the whole thing. So I would like to try and straighten that back out as well since we're here. So let's take off both the fenders and kind of see what we are working with this exhaust. All right, let me get you in here. So this is kind of what we're looking at. Yeah, that's the front brake cable, or the rear brake handlebar cable, and yeah, that's good. You know, lay it right on your exhaust. Mud, and I see there's a hole here. And I'm sure once we clean it up, I don't know, maybe that'd be nice if that was the only hole, wouldn't it? Yeah. And it looks like JB Weld, is that? Could be, maybe. I don't know, it's missing a lot of it, so it looks like a couple of bolts to take off here. Man, and well, we're gonna have to do something about that, but it needs to be replaced anyway, so that's probably why that doesn't work. Gross. Yeah, so, well, at least nothing's majorly bent or tweaked underneath here, so that's a good sign. And then, yeah, let's go around here. yeah, this is why I kind of wanted to take this side off, because, well, I don't like all these wires hanging down by the chain, so we'll do something about that. Oh, that's not tight, so we'll have to tighten that up. But other than that, everything actually looks pretty nice. Yeah, that's not bolted together. Okay, so there's some stuff, but also, I mean, while we're at it, I noticed there's a broken bolt here, there's a broken bolt back here, so we probably need to spend a whole day just extracting bolts, but well, it's all together. I don't know. I mean, and then, yeah, I don't know. They kind of, this isn't bad. We can probably repair these, but we'll put them back on. I guess we should do the exhaust first, but I don't know. They kind of look like, since they're off, they kind of look like wings. Yeah, wings.
You got like 3 feet of air that time. Can I try it really quick?
They might look like wings, but they don't work like wings. All right, let's get these 2 bolts off and pull the exhaust out of there and see what we're dealing with. All right, good news. 1 bolt came out. Bad news, that bolt was already half broken, and that bolt was already half broken, so it kind of fell out. So yeah, we got some bolt extraction to do, but let's pull this thing out. And what? That looks to be all JB Weld. So yeah, let's, oh, that was easy. Huh. All right. So that must be how it was. I thought that was a piece of pipe. It is all JB Weld with still has fingerprints in it. Somebody left some ID. Woo. So anyways, there's still JB Weld all over it. So it looks like, well, that's supposed to be cup. So let me dig around. Hole there. Oh yeah, that's burnt through. Oh, up in here. I think, yeah, there's a hole up in here too. So let's clean this thing up and just see what we're dealing with, and then we'll figure out something to do over here. So yeah, let's get this thing all cleaned up. All right, check this out. Yeah, I know, I didn't clean it yet, okay? What, that guy over there, he's like, you liar, you said you'd clean it. Okay, I haven't cleaned it yet. I'm doing the fun part. So I was digging through the semi-permanent collection, you know, the scrap pile, and I found this piece of pipe that actually came off of an old trailer. So anyways, I did the thumb test, where you stick your thumb in and you're like, okay, yeah, that's about this size, and then you don't need to bring a tape measure to the scrap pile. So I measured it later and found that the pipe on Ducky is 1 inch outside diameter, and then if this is a 1 inch inside diameter. So I need 1.5 inches of it, which we have plenty. So, and if you look, it lines up. I mean, it's almost perfect there. So I need to do some grinding, some cutting. We'll use this piece to slide over it, and then there's actually like a stop on there. So anyways, we'll cut that off, weld it on. But the first thing I'm going to do is clean this thing all up, and I don't know, I might, you know, try to burn out some of the oil. I don't know. I mean, I don't really want to start welding it and then have it catch on fire while I'm welding, so I'd rather catch it on fire first. Does that make sense? Anyways, let me get this all cleaned up. We got a piece of pipe, so this should be, the fun should start. all patched up. So fixed this. That turned out nice. Spot here turned out nice. There was a crack all the way around this. So it got it all the way around. There's our piece. Yes, I know some of you are probably thinking that's beveled and you put a piece of straight pipe on there. Yes, but I took a cone grinder and put it in there like a grinding wheel, a cone grinding wheel, and it is now beveled, and it's nice. It fits good. I had the top off here, this heat guard, and well, you could see, let's see. Maybe, yeah. I did a short on it. So anyways, there was about like, I don't know, 6 or 8 holes. I mean, the size of my thumb. So those all got patched up. And the only high temp paint I had was blue. So it got some blue on there. However, I need to now drill and tap those broken bolts. I'll just go through it. There's like 4 of them on Ducky that I need to do that to. So I'm just going to go through, do that. I need to go pick up metric bolts for that. I'm going to paint this, so I need to go pick up paint for this. So I'm going to call it there because I have to go to town. You know, town, the place where they make you wear shoes to go into buildings and stuff. I mean, ridiculousness. So I got to go to town, pick up supplies for all that. So I'm going to end it here for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I don't know, all that stuff. And hey, go out and be kind to somebody today. Just maybe 1, 2 people, 3 people, everybody. How about everybody you meet? But just try making one person's, the next person you see, make their day just a little bit better. Say something nice, whatever. But yeah, till then, be blessed. Peace.